In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Evernote into Notion in just 5 minutes. This simple guide will help you transition all your valuable notes from Evernote to Notion seamlessly, giving you the flexibility and powerful organization tools that Notion has to offer. Let's start by logging into your Notion workspace. It's crucial to ensure that you're in the right environment before beginning the import process. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options tailored to customize your Notion experience and facilitate various operations, like importing data. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll need to select Import. This is the key step in initiating the move from Evernote, as this is Notion's dedicated space for bringing in data from other platforms. You'll see a list of all the applications Notion can import from. Simply click on Evernote. Once you click Evernote, a prompt will ask you to sign in to your Evernote account. This is essential to create a direct connection between the two applications. As always with such operations, security is your priority, so be sure to double-check the credentials you're entering. Following this, you'll need to authorize Notion to access your Evernote. This authorization ensures that Notion has the permissions necessary to securely transfer your data. After successfully connecting your accounts, you'll be presented with a list of notebooks from Evernote. This is where you can exercise control over exactly which notebooks you'd like to bring into Notion. Simply check the boxes beside each of the notebooks you wish to transfer. With your selections made, the next step is straightforward yet crucial. Click the Import button. This action will commence the migration of your selected data from Evernote into Notion. It's a simple press of a button, but it signals the start of efficiently moving all your valuable notes. Bear in mind, the transfer process may take some time, and this will primarily depend on the size of your notes and the volume of data you're importing. Larger notebooks with a wealth of content will naturally require more time to thoroughly and correctly import. So be patient during this phase and ensure you have a stable internet connection to streamline the process. And there you have it. With these steps, you should have successfully moved your notes from Evernote into Notion. Now you can enjoy the robust tools and features that Notion offers, helping you organize your thoughts, projects, and ideas more effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your digital organization a little bit smoother.